During his campaign for party's Central Chennai constituency candidate, Dayanidhi Maran, DMK leader and treasurer MK Stalin termed BJP a communal party and also lambasted AIADMK. Criticizing the BJP manifesto which was released on Monday, Stalin said even the Saffron Party's manifesto, they have published the picture of RSS leaders which clearly proves that BJP is a communal party.
In BJP manifesto, they have put RSS leaders Shama Prasad Mukherjee and Deen Dayal Upadhyay's photos, which shows that BJP is a religious communal party and now the cat is out of the bag. People should understand their stand.
The son of DMK patron also attacked BJP, saying the party plays politics on communal chord because it's demolished ancient Babri Masjid earlier and now claims to build Ram Mandir.
They have also said that they will build Ram Mandir and BJP is the party who demolished 400-year-old Babri Masjid. BJP is a party which provokes communal violence and play politics on the communal chord. BJP manifesto do not include the Tamils' 100 years dream project, Setu Samudram project. They have also said that it is a cultural symbol in the manifesto that they have not included the Sri Lankan Tamil issue. Lot of fishermen are dying but they have not spoken a word about it. They are not concerned about the safety and security of Sri Lankan Tamil or fishermen in Tamil Nadu.
In a scathing attack, Stalin said BJP and Jayalalitha's AIADMK has illegal affair, to which she failed to answer DMK's questions. He also added that Jayalalitha's silence is the acceptance of illegal affair between both the parties. Stalin further said that so far Jayalalitha, who has been targeting Congress and DMK, hasn't attacked BJP once.
I want to ask Jayalalitha, you are attacking the Congress government in the central. In Tamil Nadu, you are attacking DMK and its leader Karunanidhi. But till now, you have not attacked the BJP and its PM candidate Narendra Modi. Because when Modi took over as the CM, you were there, and when you took over as CM, Modi was there. So there is an illegal affair between AIADMK and BJP. But Jayalalitha is still silent on the questioning raised by us. She has neither denied nor accepted. Being silent is the acceptance of illegal affair between AIADMK and the BJP. When Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, we were part of the government. He used to say BJP's agenda is not the agenda of the NDA, but today we cannot expect this from Modi.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.